to make binoculars today. And all you need are 2 empty toilet paper rolls and one of these things. You either need masking tape or clear tape, some kind of tape. You don't have to have both kinds. Or a rubber band. And some markers to decorate. If you don't have markers or you don't have some colored things, you don't have to decorate it. It's your choice. I'm going to speed up my drawing. Just remember, when you're using markers, always put the caps back on until you hear the click. I have my 2 decorated cardboard tubes, and now I'm going to attach them. If you have a rubber band, put the rubber band over one hand and stretch out your fingers. You might need help from an adult. Put it over both of them, like that, and you're done. If you don't have a rubber band and you have tape, I have 2 different kinds of tape, and you get it 2 different ways. For clear tape, what you want to do is, of course, keep it on the table. You take one finger, lift up, uh-oh, mistake. You might have a problem, and that's okay. You can always solve problems. I'm going to put this back in here. This part is a little sharp, so be careful. You lift up, and then you have to pull down. And when you pull down, pull on one side. Don't pull straight down. So I'm going to lean my tape to one side and pull down. And now I have a piece of tape. And I can start taping it together. Now I think that this tape is not long enough. So I'm going to hold them together. But that's not strong enough. I think I should get a longer piece of tape. Get a longer one if you do have clear tape. But if you don't have clear tape, you can use masking tape. Masking tape is different. You pull out the piece. Now we learned, always use a long piece. And then you're going to hold your fingers together like that. And you're going to only pull one of your fingers. Keep the other hand pinched. You're pinching the tape. Keep the other hand tight and rip back. Now you have a nice big long piece of tape. Put your toilet paper rolls flat on the table. It's much easier to attach. And you can attach them by pressing. To make the tape stay on, press with your fingers. Make sure you rub and rub. I use my fingernails to press. Press. This side is not long enough. So we'll try again with the clear tape. I'm going to pull it up. Mine comes out. And then make a longer piece of tape. And then I'm going to pull down on one side. Hold the tape at each end. Now I can wrap my binoculars all up with tape all the way around. Make sure the tape goes all the way around. You don't need masking tape and clear tape, just one type or a rubber band. I have my binoculars now, so now I can spy all around the room. And maybe outside I can see a squirrel or a bird. That's fun.